Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your earbuds OPPO Enco Air3i. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device and then I will move to the iPhone. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part to find a similar path. Now, let's open settings. And you need to go to accessibility. I have stock Android and right here it's located at the bottom in the settings. Enter into accessibility, then scroll down again. And again at the bottom we have audio adjustment, tap at this line, and right here we have volume balance. So if you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to select a good balance, you need to find it. We now increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right. And if you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this slider to the left, and again you need to find a good balance here, just for you. So we increase the volume for the left earbud and lower it for the right. That's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. And on your iPhone, open settings, and we need to go to accessibility, what located under the general settings. Enter into accessibility, then scroll down, and in the hearing we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have volume balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this slider to the left, but you need to find a good balance here. So we increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. Now, if you had the problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, and we just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!